Welcome to the Scientific Crow YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the often overlooked yet profound positive impact of artificial intelligence, AI, on humanity. Join us as we delve into the transformative power of AI in shaping a brighter future. Imagine a world where machines understand and respond to our needs even before we express them. Welcome to the era of artificial intelligence. This is not a futuristic fantasy, but our reality. AI, or artificial intelligence, has woven itself into the fabric of our everyday lives, transforming the way we interact, work, and play. It's making our lives easier, smarter, and more efficient. Think about it. When you ask Siri for the weather forecast, or when Alexa plays your favorite song, that's AI at work. When Netflix recommends a movie you might like, or Spotify curates a playlist just for you, that's AI too. And it's not just limited to entertainment, it's in the software applications we use, like Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro, helping video creators bring their visions to life. But artificial intelligence is more than just a cool tech feature. It's a powerful tool with the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our society. From customizing education, to diagnosing medical conditions, combating climate change, and advancing healthcare, AI is making connections and analyzing vast amounts of data in ways humans simply cannot. Artificial intelligence is not just a concept, it's an integral part of our lives, making things easier, smarter, and more efficient. Every day, you interact with AI, possibly without even realizing it. It's there when you wake up to the sound of an AI voice assistant, like Amazon's Alexa or Apple's Siri, reminding you of your schedule for the day. It's there when you ask Google Assistant for the quickest route to work, avoiding traffic and saving precious time. It's there when you log onto your computer and your email platform, like Gmail, suggests responses to your unread emails. These are just a few examples of how AI is integrated into our daily tasks. The influence of AI extends beyond personal use and into the realm of entertainment. Think about the last time you fired up Netflix for a movie night. The personalized recommendations you see? That's AI at work, analyzing your viewing patterns and preferences to suggest what you might enjoy next. The same goes for music streaming services like Spotify, where AI curates personalized playlists based on your favorite genres and artists. Let's shift gears and talk about the role of AI in our education system. If you're a student, you might have experienced AI in the form of customized lesson plans or language learning apps. These AI-driven systems analyze your learning style and proficiency level to create personalized educational experiences. They can identify areas where you're struggling and provide additional resources to help you improve. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. Artificial intelligence is like an invisible assistant, constantly working in the background to make our lives better. It's not just about convenience or entertainment. It's about harnessing the power of AI to transform the way we live, learn, and interact with the world around us. Artificial intelligence is not just making our personal lives easier. It's revolutionizing the way we work and do business. Every day, AI is becoming increasingly integrated into the heart of commerce, streamlining processes and enhancing efficiency. It's not just about robots taking over mundane tasks. It's about AI systems working alongside humans, augmenting our work, and enabling us to achieve more than we ever could alone. Take a moment to consider how machine learning technology is transforming businesses. Case studies abound of companies leveraging AI to solve complex problems, increasing productivity and reducing costs. From automating customer service with chatbots, to using predictive analytics for strategic decision-making, businesses are reaping the benefits of AI in ways that were once the stuff of science fiction. But as with any seismic shift, this new era of AI in business comes with its challenges. The evolution of the workforce is a significant issue. As AI systems become more capable, there's the potential for job displacement. We must be prepared for this change and the need for humans to adapt to new roles. It's not about replacing humans, but rather reshaping our roles within the workforce. As AI takes on more repetitive and data-heavy tasks, it frees us up to focus on areas where humans excel, such as critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence. However, this transition won't be without its growing pains. There will be economic, legal, political, and regulatory implications to consider. And of course, there are ethical considerations and privacy concerns that must be addressed. But let's not lose sight of the bigger picture. AI has the potential to boost workplace efficiency on a global scale, augment human work in unprecedented ways, and drive productivity to new heights. While there are challenges to overcome, the potential benefits of AI in the workforce are immense. Beyond convenience and efficiency, AI holds the promise to make profound social impact. Let's explore the realm of healthcare, where AI is revolutionizing the way we diagnose and treat conditions. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and make connections that would take humans years to decipher. This means we can detect diseases earlier, predict patient outcomes more accurately, and tailor treatments to individual needs. But the impact of AI isn't confined to the healthcare sector. It's also becoming a vital tool in the fight against climate change. AI systems can monitor and analyze climate data on a global scale, helping us understand the full impact of our actions on the environment. This information can guide policies and practices aimed at preserving our planet for future generations. Furthermore, AI is making significant strides in assisting people with disabilities. From speech recognition technologies that aid those with speech impairments, to AI-powered prosthetics that mimic natural movements, we are witnessing a new era of accessibility and inclusivity. AI's potential to drive positive social change is immense. It's not just about creating smarter gadgets or streamlining business processes, it's about using technology to improve lives, protect our planet, and create a more equitable society. The power of AI goes beyond technology. It's a tool for positive social change. As we look to the future, the potential of artificial intelligence is boundless. In the coming years, we can anticipate significant AI trends that will reshape our world. Sales and marketing fields are expected to undergo a revolutionary shift, thanks to AI's capabilities in understanding customer behavior and preferences. Moving on, we have the development of AI language models, which, with their ability to understand and generate human-like text, will transform how we communicate and interact. And let's not forget the emergence of the metaverse concept, a virtual reality space where users can interact with a computer-generated environment and other users. Imagine a world where your digital and physical realities intertwine seamlessly. The future of AI is a future of endless possibilities.